The materials that you'll need to make your hand sanitizer are aloe gel, alcohol, 90% or higher, essential oils for the fragrance, a bowl and spoon to mix it with, and a funnel and some containers to put it in. Hey friends, so as you know, I do grazing tables and caterings and whatnot, and hand sanitation is super important, especially now with heightened concerns for the coronavirus and flu and everything. I scoured the city looking for hand sanitizer and everyone is out. So I've decided to make my own hand sanitizer so that I can have a sanitizing station before you get to the grazing table. So here we go. I just thought I'd pop on and show you guys how. And it's pretty simple. I just have an aloe vera gel here, and I'm going to use all of it. You want to mix it in a non-reactive bowl. So that's going to be stainless steel or glass. We're sitting at about 2 cups. You want to add something to make it smell lovely. I'm using these particular oils here. I figured lavender and lemon are going to be very nice. These are therapeutic grade. Make sure you get therapeutic grade and not aroma only grade. That alcohol smell is going to be really strong. So we are going to see where we are at on the fragrance once we add the alcohol. Now, you have to get 90% or higher in order to really make sure you are killing the germs that you want to kill. That's about 2 cups. Give it a mix. Oh, smells like alcohol. I'm gonna go with some more oils. So I'm gonna end up using this full, complete 0.5 ounce bottle of lavender. Still smells like alcohol, but wet hand sanitizer does not. So that's it. This is my homemade hand sanitizer, guys. Now you want to go ahead and get it into your vessel.